Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to inform regarding tender notice information. So here in this video, I am going to explain about HL tender notice, including all the details mentioned in the above subject work. Here it's a tender notice number 32/2021. This type of the civil works. Now I will show you how to download the tender notice. Here, just you have to type HL. Now after typing HL, go to search bar. Here it's showing that tenders. Just click the tenders. After click the tenders, it will open the like this. Here it's a window. It will give all the information regarding tenders, tender notice number, and all the type of works here. Here division, tender reference number, name of the work, department, plotter date, and due date. Here it is not showing that due date. Now after we will go with second page. I am already open in the second page. Here you have to see that which one is the newest contract. Here it's showing that 13 October 2020, tender notice number 32/2021. Just you have to click this. After clicking, this page will be open. Here it is clearly mentioned that division is a facilities management division Bengaluru, tender reference number NCP 32/2021, tender name interior decoration, furnishing and maintenance of HAL Chalet of Aero India 2021 at Yelahanka Airforce Station Bangalore on Turnkey Basis. Now you have to download the tender notice. I am already download the tender notice. Here it says tender notice. This is tender notice number. Tender notice NCP 32/2021. The date of tender notice 30/10/2020. Here they will give the mention that subject, what type of the work here, and they will give all the type of information. Here they clearly mention that it's a two-bid system, and they will add some point also. You have to read carefully. Then here it is mentioned that essential qualification criteria. For that you have to when uploading a tender, uh, you have to qualify these points. Otherwise you have been rejected. Then they given solvency, bid capacity of work, technical bid evaluation criteria. Here it's mentioned that how they made technical evaluation, how you are qualified, then price bid evaluation criteria, cost of the tender document, honest money deposit. Here is the address. You can submit the EMD through DD and for this address. Then for that uploading purpose, you have to upload this following document. It's clearly mentioned. Also given general instruction and general terms. Then you have to ask clarification on the technical bid evaluation. You have to ask any clarification. It's a pre-bid meeting. One meeting also there. It's called pre-bid meeting. Proposed to be held on 22/10 at 14 hours, means 2 o'clock. If you have any clarification regarding, you have to enter the meeting and ask the doubts. I will rotate. Here clearly mentioned that work details, serial number, description, estimated value, EMD, last date of online submission of the tender, that means date of opening also, solvency, similar nature of work, tentative view on procurement portal. Like this is it will be view on that portal 16/10/2020 civil work contract. Yes, it's already mentioned this is civil work. Then Here is a description, means subject tender. It's a contract number. We have already mentioned it 111 2021. That's the contract number. Estimated value is around 122.40 lakhs. Then 5,600 is the cost of the document. Here it is mentioned the cost of the document. The cost of the document. Completion period is around 1 month. EMD should be submitted 1,28,400. Date of opening of the tender is 16/1/6/11/2020. Solvency is 51.36 lakhs. Then it's a type of work: designing, building, installation and event management from the contractor commission Turnkey Basis. Turnkey Basis. So here, then I will show you. It is the procedure to download and submission of the tender. Here they will be on the website http://wipro.co. Here you got to read carefully. Here you get a clear clarification regarding that and how to upload the file, how to submit a file, submit a tender, participate for a tender, right? And they will give the phone number. You have to call and confirm. If any type of help you need regarding the e-portal, so you will get that help number. Thank you for watching.